Hello everybody. I just wanted to kind of make a quick video show you that in your Blackboard shell under exam 3 and review right here, I have first of all the original exam 3 that we were supposed to take in class. This is the review for it. It has everything worked out by hand in the review, so that's something that you can use to study for your test. This is a version of the online test that you're going to be taking. It is the same type of questions and with just different numbers, and you can use this to study for your exam. There's unlimited attempts on here, and it is set for the same time limit of 90 minutes as your regular exam. So this is an excellent way to practice for your exam. And then also, once you have finished reviewing the paper review and the online review, then you can come here and take exam 3. It is in Blackboard entirely. You'll get 2 attempts on this. The highest grade will be saved. You have an hour and 30 minutes to do this. And as it says in here, this is due by March 23rd at 11:30 p.m. Don't forget that's Eastern Standard Time, so for us it's going to be 10:30. If you have any questions, try out the discussion board or send me an email.